pulled up a stool like another old fool, trying to get her off my mind. I opened a tab, went straight for the jack, and I threw them back one at a time. Hoping down to proof might do the trick. She's a hell of a heartbreak to kick. Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing round here that works worth a drop. If Tennessee straight can't make her memory fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. It's the #1 name for heartaches and pains, trusted for hundreds of years. Tough enough cowboys, but don't look right now, boys. They sure ain't stopping these tears. Don't know why, but when it comes to us, it just don't do what it does. Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing round here that works worth a drop. If Tennessee straight can't make her memory fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. I guess I'm just wasting my time. Hell, even whiskey ain't got a shot. Ain't a bottle of nothing around here that works worth a drop. Hell, if Tennessee straight can't make her memory fade, tell me what kind of chance do I got? Even whiskey ain't got a shot. Even whiskey ain't got a shot.
This dance is called Faded Dreams, choreographed by Maddison, Simon Ward, and Fred Whitehouse. It's a 24 count, 2-wall, intermediate level rolling 8 count line dance. There are 1 tag and 2 restarts in this dance. Section 1, starting with right foot, step right foot forward, pivot half turn to your left facing 6, quarter turn to your left, step right foot to the side facing 3, behind, hit your right in figure 4, behind, side, cross rock, recover, quarter turn to your right, step right foot forward facing 6, half turn right, step left foot back, sweep your right facing 12, step right foot back, touch left toe forward, bending knees. Section 2, step down on your left, touch right together, step right foot back, touch your left toe forward, bending knees. Step down on your left, quarter turn to your left, stepping on the side, sweep your left facing 9, behind, side, cross, step right foot to the side, sway your body to the right, left, right, transfer your weight back to your left, make a pencil half turn to your left facing 3 o'clock. Last section, mambo step. Forward rock, recover back, back, sweep your right, right sailor, behind, sweep your right, quarter turn to your right, coaster step, forward, hit your right facing 6, back, raise your left leg forward in straight leg, left foot, coaster step. Now you're facing 6 and start over again. Now let me go over the dance with the counts. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7, 8 and In the stance, there are 2 restarts. On wall 3 and wall 6, you will dance 8 counts, then restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. Now let me show you wall 3 and wall 6 with counts starts facing 12 o'clock. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, This is the end of 8 counts. Now restart the dance facing 12 o'clock. In the stance, there's a 2 count tag at the end of wall 7 facing 6 o'clock. Now let me show you the tag. Starting with the right foot, walk forward, right, left. With the counts, 1, 2. This is the whole dance. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching.